services are affected and there is disruption in Devon and Cornwall.
It's pretty bad. So it's basically raining all afternoon and all night last night. We're talking like over 12 hours of rain. It's got to be crazy out there. Let's go and see how bad it actually is. Got the right car for the job. Already it looks absolutely soaked out here. I know where it will be bad. Let's go there. Looks pretty waterlogged in there as well. I bet it is bad round here. Oh! This is some serious water, guys. There's a car that's just gone flying up there. Everybody just seems to be getting to there and then going, no. It's only the big guys that are doing it. There's nothing stopping this thing. They've increased the wade depth for this car in this model year. Here we go again. Oh wow. Oh, this isn't as bad as the other one. But I know another place which is going to be really bad, and that is round this corner. I don't know if this person in front of me actually realises, not by the speed he's going anyway. Oh, how weird. But that was strange, there was no water there. They must have improved the drainage or something. And this is why, guys, despite all the electric stuff I do on this channel, sometimes you just need something big and powerful that's just going to get the job done. And the truth is, I really wouldn't feel comfortable going through that water with a 450 volt battery stuck underneath the car. There were times back a couple of winters ago where it snowed really, really heavily. And I was just thinking, it's great to just turn this engine on and just know that this thing's going to heat up. And it's just tried and tested. It's been around for years. You're not going to have a problem. Well, that was fun. Although this video was actually meant to be about business, not severe flooding in the UK. Oh dear, another victim of the weather.